Welcome at Tiverton bus station. And look at this. Surprised they're loud out today. They're so busy, but yet they're so old. Look at them all. Oh, maybe a start-up. Nice. Oh yeah. No, the reverses bus out. Yeah. Are you a bus bosser too, are you?
Yeah.
I am too. I film for YouTube, I do.
I don't, I just do it for myself.
I do it for YouTube. Oh, someone else does thing there, bro. Oh look, they're both leaving. One's moved over there, one's leaving. We're not waiting for them buses, we're waiting for the open top. Really hope it's stagecoach. I hope I get to see the old. I hope I get to see one of the oldest stagecoach ones. Yep, here's our bus. We're on the wrong stand though.
Can we get back on the thing there? Thank you.
Bus is coming. Please stand.
That's his job.
Yep. Yeah, go stand away from the edge just in case. So, yeah. Are any stagecoach buses going to be in this show?
Stagecoaches, bays 1 and 2.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
So are there going to be stagecoach buses doing this job as well? Or is
bays
it just
1 and 2 for the ordinary buses.
ordinary?
Yeah.
Not the stagecoach ones, not the old ones.
Because there's a stagecoach bus that's been withdrawn. I was thinking maybe that one's doing this. Maybe this one, that one's helping out with these buses. Well, it don't sound like they're helping out.
No. Stagecoaches are going from bays 1 and 2. That's ordinary services.
Okay.
These are all the tour buses today.
Yeah, I was thinking because one of the stagecoach buses got withdrawn. I was thinking maybe that one would help out with the tour buses, but maybe not.
No, they won't do anything like that.
Yeah, we'll get one. We're about to get on this one.
What is it called? The hotspot out.
Yeah, hold. I thought you. Yep. Oh, another single decker. I wonder what type they are. Are you both filming for YouTube, are you? I am too. But we're about to board. Because everyone's already getting. Yeah, it's alright for you. Alright.
Okay, I think we'll just load up.
Jacob! Look at this, guys. We're on the really old bus. Out of service today. Just doing a tour bus.
Sound modern.
I think. Oh, it's cars. When's? I wonder when the 55's due. There's the one going back.
Is this the way to the bus station?
No. We've gone. We're heading to the River City Centre, or Tiverton Town Centre, I mean, sorry. I think heading Town Centre first.
Oh, these seats are well padded. These are
Where are they? The new stagecoach used to take a lesson from these people.
some of the everyone from the seats and talk about these seats. Yeah, they do.
The new stagecoach bus seats are really awful to sit on. Number after about 5 minutes.
another one behind us.
Oh yeah.
80.
Holy yeah.
Number 6. Number 6, so we're right at the end.
Level.
1 and 2 are down there. That's where they're
Well, we might as well look at.
Just to see all the buses.
right.
Thank you. Yeah, okay. We'll do another one, alright? Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you hold your horn?
Not yet.
When you reverse out, can you?
Sorry?
When you reverse out, can you please?
We will reverse that in a minute, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This entire shot of them all. What is that bus over there? What is that bus over there for on the pavement? I think that bus has problems. I think that bus has problems, don't you? It's just abandoned.
So we've got the event organisers who are in the room. So
Even
they
the-
just suddenly started reversing.
Yeah. They do the same thing at Exeter bus
All of
station.
them have to.
Oh,
He didn't honk the horn. No reversing sound on these buses though. Entire shots of all these buses. Look at them all. Entire shots of them all. 3DV 157 I think S 937. Where's Devon General then today? Oh, these are always Devon General. Well, where's the stagecoach one though? There's a bus anyway. I didn't do the horn. 937 that one is. I believe. I think so anyway. The open top bus isn't very long, is it?
Oh, yeah, because the open top.
This isn't on the hour. That's a registration here. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses. Oh yeah. Look at all these old buses. I think there's something wrong with that one, don't you? There's something wrong with it, don't you? It's just resting there. Oh yeah. He knows. When's the stagecoach
Like I
one?
said, rest in peace, no storage.
Where is the stagecoach bus today then?
Yeah, I'm not sure. All I know is the phone.
Can you tell how old these buses are? They're struggling a bit. Where's your makeup and that on? the coach.
Tyler, you walked off without your change and everything.
I know, but
Tyler? Tyler, can you wait a minute? You alright?
It's this one, stand still.
Josh is massive.
Sorry?
Josh is massive.
Yeah.
Tyler. You are Tyler's fan.
Hello, Tyler.
hello.
Tyler and Josh.
Have you just met Josh?
I've just met him.
Hello, National Express.
Oi.
And a really old bus there. Oh, we're sleeping. BV24 CGM. We don't have any numbers. That bus is using rolled out coaches in reversing. Wow, look at that National Express. Brand new. And she's quite speedy, isn't she? Must be in a hurry. No,
Right.
no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buses. Just got a tone. We've got lots of tones today. All open top buses back on the way. Wait, that's the same one. Keeps covered. Beep beep. As soon as one bus goes, the other buses go. And as soon as buses go, some more arrive.
Jacob.
Also, it should be here by now. It's 12:30.
Yeah.
They're running, the buses are probably running late because they've got to wait in the queue for the buses. Beep beep. Beep.
Can you please check the stagecoach?
Here's the Beach Walk MMC SN66 VVE 10694. That's 10694. I've got newer buses, I've got newish buses, very old buses. I've got really is old vehicles though, must admit. Where's that local MMC though? Where's the local MMC?
We've got to see that leaf over there, we've got to see that leaf.
Just as the MMC pulls up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buses here now. This is a busy bus station. Quite a busy old bus station. Why can't they do it somewhere like Exeter? Then again, there are too many buses in Exeter to do it in, isn't there? This bus station.
Taunton seems like it's an excellent place.
There aren't many now, are there?
There's a couple of buses.
But not many. But yeah, we get to see MMCs. And possibly up their solos. Beep 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 beep. Who's on the parking way today then?
Taunton?
Yeah.
It's not running on some days.
Does it not?
No.
Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Who's going next? Open top buses staying this time for a long time. Double decker and single decker together. Look. The two that I've just bought. But the models off anyway, the toy. Show you them in a minute. I'll show Jake Lee's videos and photos later. Jake would love to see them all. Seen loads of different buses, including MMC, ranging from newer buses to really, really old buses. Oh look, there are guys in all the buses. Oh, and local MMC. Beep beep. Look at this, two MMCs together, look. There's that bus jams forming. Beep beep. Goodbye, Beach Sport MMC. Bye bye, Beach Sport MMC. Now we can cross the road, hopefully, to film it leave. Beep. Oh! I think the local one does it. Local MMC versus Beach Ball, which one's better?
Let's ask him if we can look inside the local
Oh,
one.
yeah.
People are going places.
This is its final stop anyway. Beep beep. On your horn! Beep beep. Beep. Oh! Hello? I was waiting for her. She should have stopped. Ah, it's raving. Right next to this really old bus. Goodbye, local MMC SN65 NZM. What's the number? What's that number? Ah. They struggle a bit. That's strange. My coat's lost.
Did you find it?
Nope. Can I press the bell anyway?
Yeah, if you want to.
Yep.
Can you reach?
He's got a YouTube channel and all sorts.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for that.
Put your bag on.
No, put my... go on. I have to look somewhere else. Wait a minute.
What are we waiting for now?
Okay.
Lost my Pepsi Max. I've lost my drink. I see it. So I've been on the whole bus trip, and my can has been waiting for me on the wall.
Oh, don't drink it because you don't know if someone's touched it. Alright, look at that Inspector Toilet. Put that on and everything.
Oh yeah.
And a summer white topper.
That means it's summer, does it?
It does.
Oh,
Yes,
there
till
you
the
go.
end of September.
And then you take the topper off when it's
Yeah, the
winter.
topper comes off.
Ah, that's
Oh.
clever. Did you hear that? The hat?
I
Yeah.
used to wear white toppers from May till September.
We sound 3 and the 55 are due soon. Right, 9 minutes past. At 2 o'clock they're both due. We'll get Tuesday's coach in a minute. Oh, back is in. There it is. It's just about gone. There it is again. A Devon General one. I wonder where Stagecoach Devon General is. There's the bus with green on. And most important of all, I'm going to depart here. Most important of all though, I've actually seen the actual depot now, and that little booty there. The only thing I haven't seen is the AMX 100s yet. Hopefully one of those will come soon. She has an issue 37475. She has an issue. Yo, it gets even apart. Look at her. She's going for a test one. I can see one. Where's she off to? So don't know what she's doing, but looks like she's going in. Where's 19607? She should be here today. Her doors haven't closed properly. No way is there beach ball up to solo here. Looks like that E200 MMC is coming out. Now she does honk the horn. 37475. What's she doing? Is she being tested out? Look at that, guys. She's driving around. And she honked the horn. Oh, he just driven her around and stopped for some reason. No idea what she's doing, but that was just epic to see her drive around. No way! No way am I seeing this right at 65 RDU. 26038. That's no way am I seeing 26038 right at 65 RDU. No way did I just see a 2015 in 200 MMC. Wait, totally forgot. Number 7 and 38 and other buses come here, so we'll see them buses too here. Here's the B to Westminster. Who is this then? I think 37032. That's 37032 on the B at Matford Park and Ride. I'll wave. Right at 63 LHO. 37033's sister. She's in the bus yard, I believe, today in Exmouth. I'll ask if I can go down there actually, see the double deckers in Exmouth. It was 15901 is in Exmouth, the double decker. So it's 15251. They're both in Exmouth bus yard. So we're going to see that in a minute. Or in a bit, I should say. I'll probably do bus spotting around here. Ask if they can bring out a few buses. Hmm. 37032 is back. This is Exmouth bus here with 15251 and 15901. 47100 36230. That's 4 buses here. 15251. We've got 6 buses here. We're going to WA13 GFG 1 YN65 XDP over here. And I've got W8040XR 47100. I've got 37479 YX68 UUG 48003 WYJ15 ADV. We've got 6 buses here now. Who else is going to come down? The school, the M15251 and 15901. They're going to be school buses. And they're going to be parking up here every single day. What these 2 double deckers are. They could be any special livery. It could be anything. So, make sure to keep an eye out. Make sure to keep an eye out for special liveries, which we might see today actually. I forgot to mention 36230 WE60HLZ. And I might as well say the rest now. 47100 WA04 TXR 15251 YN65 XDP 15901 WA13 GFG 48003 YJ15 ADV and 37479 YX68 UUG 36229. It's on 357/96 37033. Yeah, she's gone on the 157 and 47091's on the 1990. We should see 105. Yeah, I should see 10501 soon. 10501 SN65 ZHT. Off she comes. She's got fan issues. She has an out fan. E400 MMC 10501. Hello, 47091 W804TXF. Who seems to have forgotten her route. So 10501 has 5 minutes to make a reappearance. What? Hey? That means 10501 should be making an appearance. Yeah, that means 10501 has to make the appearance soon. But she is again. 10501. Beep beep, popcorn, please. Whoa there. What's wrong with her? She's so mad. What's wrong with her? 10501. SN65 ZHT. Don't have time for her now, do I? Nah. I'll just explain the rare bus was late. I'll just say the rare bus was late. 10501.